Okay, so welcome in Gennevilliers, one of our 180 workshops in Europe.
Great.
The agenda is such that we should start with a tour.
Okay.
So we have to put some safety shoes,
Yeah.
which we already have. Very good.
Would you like some coffee before starting? Yes, okay.
The French.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, you have one? Okay, great, awesome, thanks.
This is Yves, but you
Yeah,
met him.
nice to see you. It's been a while. Thank you.
So we have, in transportation, globally speaking, there are two major application fields, long haulage and regional distribution. We are supporting customers in 6 different sectors of activities, in regional distribution, in critical, essential services. So connection, connectivity, data enable us to get agility.
Is that the tachograph that is called?
Est-ce que c'est le tachographe que tu installes? Yeah, he said yes, it is. It's from the telematics, and he will track the vehicles with it.
Okay. And how long have you been working on the trucks?
21 years working
okay.
for Fraikin.
Nice. That's great. How many vehicles do you typically service per day?
Bon, par jour, bon, ça fait un peu compliqué, mais on a à peu près 12 mécanos avec 2 carrossiers et ça peut aller, chacun il peut faire 2 ou 3 chantiers.
So
Ça
we
peut aller
have
de 10 à 20 en fonction des interventions, quoi.
And you do everything.
Et tu fais tout.
On essaie de faire
We
le
try
maximum.
to, yes.
And I see electric, CNG, traditional, like you do EVs as well?
Nous on fait tout ce que le client il veut. Donc après ça peut aller, c'est vrai que ça peut aller de la grue, du véhicule blindé là comme on a
Yeah.
là-bas. En fait c'est toute typologie de véhicule.
It was interesting to hear how they're using data to proactively help the preventative maintenance of all types of vehicles. And it was great to hear how it helps their workers become more efficient.
And this crane, is that something you maintain as well?
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah.
Based on the spec we design with the customer. So customers come to us. Very often are customers that are active in a special application field for many years.
Right.
So they know by experience
This
what
works.
type of equipment,
Yeah.
what kind of functionalities they need. This is I would like for the pictures. Okay.
Our team learned a lot about Fraikin's operations, and it was fun to end the day with some cake to celebrate our partnership. Thanks again, and as the French say, au revoir.